For many of you looking to jump into the world of Nikon full-frame mirrorless, the biggest headache comes down to two soul-searching questions for the camera body. Should you go with the Z63 or the Z52? And for lenses, should you go all in at once for the Trinity or pick a do-it-all 24 to 120 millimeters? The specs in the ads make your head spin. You binge watch reviews only to get more tangled up. Your budget feels like it is at war with itself, and you are terrified of making one wrong move that costs you money and feels awkward to use. So today, let us cut to the chase and break down camera body comparisons, lens pairings, and scene suitability, all in plain, easy to understand language. Whether you are a total newbie, a photography hobbyist, or looking to level up and take on paid gigs, just watch this and follow the buying guide, saving you both hassle and cash. A lot of people think that phone photos are sharp enough, and that an APS-C camera gets the job done, so why bother spending big bucks to upgrade to a full frame? But anyone who has actually used a full frame camera knows, a bigger sensor is a total game changer. This is not just hype, it is a tangible upgrade in experience, starting with that overwhelming leap in image quality. A full-frame sensor has a much larger area compared to APS-C sensors and smartphone sensors. The grating details on the staircase are captured with stunning clarity. When shooting portraits, you can see the texture of hair color and the feel of skin, and it can fully capture the layers of mountain ranges and the gradients of clouds. Their dynamic range is also superior. That is a level of quality you just cannot get from phones or PSC cameras. Both of these Nikon full-frame models are equipped with the EXP-ED7 processor. With excellent autofocus and high-speed continuous shooting, whether you are doing street photography, documenting your life, or shooting landscapes, portraits, and commercial gigs, or even being a video blogger, shooting short films, or taking on promo video gigs, they can handle it all with ease. Looking at the core hardware, the Z52 uses a back-illuminated CMOS sensor. Your photos will be stable and have solid image quality. For everyday shooting, it is a pragmatic choice. Good enough is good enough. For those who just want to quietly take photos and document their lives, its performance is more than enough. The Z63, on the other hand, features a stacked CMOS sensor, reaching speeds of 20 frames per second, which is top tier in the industry. Burst shooting, focus tracking, and video processing capabilities have all been significantly upgraded. It is a versatile, pro-level powerhouse like fitting your camera with a high-speed engine, so it handles demanding, dynamic scenes with ease. As for the autofocus system, the Z52 is perfectly fine for daily still shots, portraits, and landscapes. But when dealing with fast-moving objects, like a running and jumping pet or a bird in flight, you might run into focus lag and blurry shots. The Nikon Z63 adds bird detection autofocus, offering faster and more accurate tracking that covers a range of subjects like people, animals, and vehicles. It also features a pre-shot burst function that starts recording before you even press the shutter, so you will never fear missing those split-second moments, and blurry shots become almost a thing of the past. It is the perfect cure for all those frustrations of missing that perfect moment. The video capabilities are where the two models differ the most, and it is the Z63's core advantage. The Z52 only supports 4K 60p capture. With 10-bit color depths, it is good enough for daily shooting, vlog short videos, and family records, but it is not what you would call professional. If you want to shoot slow-motion, high-quality footage, it just cannot keep up. The Z63 supports 6K in RAW internal recording and 4K 120p slow-motion shooting, professional video format. Just take a closer look. Those color details and image quality are truly at a professional video camera level, and the differences in body details directly impact the user experience. The Z63 features a 5.76 million dot electronic viewfinder that delivers a sharp, comfortable view, letting you see your shot clearly even in bright light, making professional controls feel more intuitive. The custom button and dial design better caters to professional user habits. The card slot features a CF Express Type B plus SD dual slot setup, providing high-speed, dual backup storage to meet professional needs. The Nikon Z52 features a 3.69 million dot electronic viewfinder, which is perfectly fine for everyday use. It features a dual SD card slot design. Memory cards are cheap and easy to get, keeping costs down and adding practicality. Plus, the body is lighter, making it a breeze for long handheld shoots or just carrying it around town. Simply put, the Z52 is the king of value for entry-level full-frame cameras. It saves you money and hassle, making it perfect for beginners, family users, and those just starting out in photography. The Z63, on the other hand, is an advanced all-rounder with no performance gaps, built for long-term use. For those who do not want to switch cameras often and have professional creative needs, once you have picked your body, pairing it with the right lenses becomes the next big challenge. Nikon's mount lens lineup is vast, offering everything from budget-friendly entry-level options to high-end professional gear. A lot of people struggle between the Trinity and the Nikon Z24 to 120mm f4 SI. Well, the answer is actually pretty simple. For regular users, the 24 to 120mm f4 is more than enough, even for pro-level shooters. If your budget allows, go straight for the Trinity. We will break down lens pairings into 3 tiers: entry-level, advanced, and all-in-one. So no matter your budget, you will find the right setup for you. You do not have to spend blindly nor compromise on your creative needs. The entry-level setup is all about low cost and being beginner-friendly, letting you cover most scenarios without breaking the bank. My top pick is the 24 to 120mm f4, a lens that is perfect for one lens, does all situations. Its focal range covers wide-angle to medium telephoto, handling daily street snaps, travel photos, portraits, and landscape shots, all with just one lens. You will not have to swap lenses constantly, so you will not miss those perfect moments. Its constant f4 aperture delivers consistent image quality, producing sharp, clear shots whether you are shooting grand landscapes or close-up portraits. Weighing just 630 grams, it is lightweight lightweight and will not strain your shoulder. So even beginner female photographers can carry it for long periods with no problem. If you want to enhance your background blur for great portraits, pair it with a 50mm f/1.8 prime lens. Its standard perspective is close to the human eye, so the shots look natural and not abrupt. Its f/1.8 large aperture creates soft, beautiful bokeh, letting you easily capture stunning portraits with a clean background and a sharp subject. It is sharp, budget friendly, and the perfect choice for a starter prime lens. This Z52 plus 24 to 120mm f/4 and 50mm f/1.8 combo is budget friendly. Beginners can use this setup for 3 to 5 years without needing an upgrade, letting them experience the magic of full frame without breaking the bank. For an intermediate setup, suitable for those with some photography basics. For those looking to boost their image quality and expand their creative possibilities, the core recommendation is Nikon's 1.8 series of prime lenses. They offer great value and outstanding image quality, making them a golden combo for advancing users. The 24mm f1.8 is a wide-angle prime with a broad field of view, great for shooting indoors, perfect for home interiors, architecture, and large-scale landscapes. The large aperture lets you capture sharp images, even in low-light conditions. The 35mm f1.8 is a standard focal length for documentary work, balancing both the environment and your subject. It is great for daily life recording, portraits, and street photography, often called a street photography gem for its ability to capture highly narrative shots. The 85mm f1.8 is a prime telephoto lens for portraits, boasting soft bokeh and excellent distortion control, absolutely stunning for capturing people, whether for post portraits or candid shots. It delivers a fine detailed quality, making it an essential lens for portrait photography. You could also go for the 24 to 70mm f/2.8 standard zoom, which balances flexibility and image quality. Great for both photos and video, perfect for advanced users who want convenience and do not want to swap lenses. When paired with the Z63, this combo offers a major upgrade in autofocus, image quality, and video, satisfying daily creative needs, while also handling simple paid gigs, making it a smart, non-wasteful step-up choice. It feels great to use and will not become outdated anytime soon. The one and done combo. For professional shooters, commercial photography, and enthusiasts, go straight for Nikon's Holy Trinity kit. Its focal range covers everything from 10mm to 200mm with no blind spots, truly the ultimate lens set you will ever need. First up, the Nikon Z14 to 24mm f/2.8 and ultra-wide angle lens. The view is stunning. Shoot landscapes, architecture, or starry skies and get maxed out atmosphere and visual impact. The Z24 to 70mm f/2.8 South 2nd Street standard zoom, your go-to workhorse lens, an absolute must-have for professional photographers. The Z70 to 200mm f/2.8 telephoto lens excels at everything from portrait, close-ups, and capturing action to wildlife and stage photography. With VR image stabilization, you can get sharp shots, even when hand-holding a telephoto lens. It excels in low-light conditions and the upgraded 2nd-generation Trinity is now more lightweight with faster autofocus. With a constant f2.8 large aperture, you can capture sharp images even in dim lighting. You can also pair it with an 85mm f/1.8 to boost your portrait quality. Whether it is outdoor shoots, commercial gigs, or professional creative work, one set can cover all your needs. Finally, I have included a ready-to-use buying guide for you. No more stressing. Just copy this and quickly lock in the best combo based on your budget and needs. For complete beginners on a budget, mainly for daily recording, family photos, and travel snapshots, go for the Z52 plus the 24 to 120mm f/4, a low-cost entry into full frame that is good enough, easy to use, and will not break the bank. For photography enthusiasts looking to get serious with their creative work, practice their skills, and occasionally take on small gigs, go for the Z63 paired with a 1.8 prime lens set or the Nikon Z24 to 70mm f2.8 S2. With comprehensive performance and no creative bottlenecks, it will stay current for 3 to 5 years, perfect for pro users, commercial photography, and full-time photographers. For photography enthusiasts and hobbyists, the Z63 plus the Trinity is your one and done, ultimate setup. You can also pair it with a Z-mount f1.8 Legion lenses based on your needs, covering all scenarios for both professional work and creative projects. Look, when it comes to buying a camera and lenses, it is never about the more expensive the better, but the better it suits you, the better. Do not blindly chase high-end specs, get bogged down by specs-obsessed users, or get dizzy from all that professional terminology. Once you figure out what you want to shoot, your budget, and how far you want to take it, making a choice becomes quick and easy. The Z52 is a solid choice for getting into full frame. To experience the magic of full frame at the lowest cost, the Z63, on the other hand, is an all-around companion for advanced creation, taking you from hobbyist to pro. The 24 to 120mm f4 is a practical go-to for most people, lightweight, versatile, and hassle-free. The Trinity is the ultimate setup for pros. Remember, photography is about capturing moments, not a gear competition. But even the best camera is just a decoration if you do not use it to take photos. Even the most basic gear can create stunning shots with heart. Hopefully, this video will help you overcome your choice paralysis and get the perfect Nikon full-frame gear for you. So stop obsessing over specs, pick up your camera, shoot more of life, capture what you love, and use your lens to freeze every precious moment. Roam through streets and alleys, capture mountains, rivers, and seas, unlock the endless joy of full-frame photography, and create your own brilliant masterpieces. Alright, that is all for this video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to triple combo. Want to see reviews for other tech products? Be sure to leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.